once you become aware of what goes on inside your mind and your body, you pay attention to these messages, to the narrative, and you look at it at face value. Basically, you just observe it, just notice it. That's all there is, just messages, just products of my mind. My mind is operating in the background all the time. My mind is switched on even when I'm asleep.
Yeah.
It's producing fantasies, thoughts, narratives, all sorts of stories, short video clips, images. That's all they are. And if the message is, or the narrative is so powerful, so strong in this moment, well, perhaps I can look at it from, I can just capture it with put it into some sort of picture, into a frame, and look at it from a distance. Hold it, stretch my hands and hold it, imagining that I'm holding a heavy frame with this narrative, with this negative message on that frame, and then pay attention to your hands. All of a sudden, what's going on here? My hands are kind of struggling, are in pain a little bit. Well, what if I just put the message down and relax my arms? Let this message be. Let this message, just this narrative, these negative thoughts, that's all they are. Just they can be there in the background. I don't have to struggle with them, engage with them, listen to them. Just let them come and go as they please.